Welcome to Cleaners University. Hi, I'm Doug Rucker, and this online school is designed to allow you to drastically cut your learning curve and help you gain the education and knowledge that you need as you start your own business in exterior cleaning. Within this online school, you'll be able to take classes ranging from house washing and roof cleaning to property protection, driveway cleaning, hard surface restoration, and much more. At the end of each class, you'll have the opportunity to take a test, and once passed, have a certificate that you can print out for your personal as well as business marketing needs. We have also included a Facebook group where you can communicate directly with me as well as other students as we build a community of like-minded people, all striving to build a business from the ground up. Now, if I can help you in any way, please do not hesitate to call or text me at 281-883-3630.